Hey there. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the story. Um, Ever wondered what happens when Hollywood royalty meets basketball royalty? One story perfectly captures the mystique of Michael Jordan. And then Denzel Washington, a dedicated Lakers fan, um, once shared a surprising anecdote. It all started on Jimmy Kimmel Live, where his love for basketball took center stage. When asked about the greatest basketball player of all time, Denzel paused. Uh, he then recounted an experience with Michael Jordan. Denzel attended a Chicago Bulls game where Jordan made an unforgettable shot. Afterward, he found himself having dinner with the legend. That night, Denzel found himself providing security for MJ. It was clear that Michael Jordan's fame was something else entirely. Uh, Denzel even jokingly tried to loosen Jordan up. However, Jordan would pretend to sip his drink, only to set it back down. Kimmel then joked perhaps he's the best of all time. Uh, Denzel replied, he certainly was on that particular night. Denzel showcased his basketball knowledge in He Got Game. He coached Ray Allen, demonstrating his on-screen skills. Speaking of He Got Game, Allen felt comfortable working with Denzel. He even compared Denzel's presence to that of MJ. Allen said Denzel had the ability to make people feel at ease, much like the impact Jordan had on those around him. There were other ballers in the movie with Jordan, like Shaq, Reggie, and others. Makes you think. Did they argue about who was better at the craft table? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,